cryptocurrency. This is the elephant in the room right now. Guess what? If you don't have Bitcoin, if you don't have Ethereum, if you don't have Tron, if you don't have any of the other cryptocurrencies right now, and you're not earning them automatically while you are sleeping, you're missing out on not what I said is the #1 performing asset of the past 10 years, but Wall Street Journal, Forbes, Business Weekly, all say this. And this is all over the globe. Made more millionaires in the past 10 years than real estate, cryptocurrency, and Bitcoin. And it's just getting started, you guys. You can learn about it in our course, and I even wrote a book about it. My book is called The Bitcoin Formula. We will teach you out of this book as well inside of the Poverty Proof course. It's a phenomenal read, and you will get a free copy of this if you register for the class. Don't forget about cash flow, another thing that wealthy people love to focus on. Why? Because cash flow, you guys, is king. And if you want to be able to earn as much as $50,000, $60,000, $70,000 a week, then you need to understand why cash flow from a business that you can buy is the thing that you need to be earning for you and your household. Why go and work 40 hours a week when you can sit at home in front of your computer and make money during the day and still continue to get paid while you're sleeping from a business that's already performing and making money? Doesn't that make more sense? Also, commodities, you guys. What do wealthy people do after they're making money from credit, making money from cryptocurrency, making cash flow from a business that they bought? Guess what they do? They buy gold and silver bullion, okay? And when they buy gold and silver bullion, this is real money, you guys. This is key. This is why you need to be inside of the Poverty Proof course so you can understand how these 4 things work together. Listen, don't just take my word for it. We have hundreds of testimonials from people in 70 different countries that we've helped to make money all over the globe. And not just that, you guys. This is something that anyone can do, young and old. Don't wait, it's not too late for you to get wealthy. And during rough economic times, did you know that that's when most people that become billionaires are actually made? Listen, think about it. Jeff Bezos made over $12 billion in one day. In one day, in September of 2020. Elon Musk made over $2 billion in one day in September of 2020. Has your entire family hierarchy ever even got close to making $1 billion? Because you need to understand the 4 wealth principles. Get with us, you guys. Click below now